Namaste, this is Shilpa, and today I'm going to talk about the fever, the running cold and cough and infections running all around. So if your lungs are weak or you feel that you're about to catch fever or cold, so there is one very good point which can help you with cold and cough. Okay, so the the point is lung 7. This lung 7 has many benefits. First of all, lung 7 will help in excess of cough. If you're coughing a lot, it is like a snuff box. This point is like a snuff box. So good for cold and cough. Also, it helps to strengthen the lungs. Also, if you have sadness or grief stored in your body, then it is the lungs that weaken due to the sadness, for whatever reason you have that. Alright, so you need to strengthen your lungs. Also for wrist pain, thumb pain, this point is very good, and you can do it every day to strengthen your lungs. The point is, just go along your thumb. It's on the lateral side, so somewhere here. Okay, put two fingers just at the edge where the thumb ends, the whole thing, this ends, the wrist ends, and then just somewhere here. So you will find a painful point. Like my painful point is this, because I had a little bit of viral fever, so I had cold cough, and this really helped me when I had a lot of cough. So press, release this with your thumb, or any blunt pencil will do. Eraser behind the pencil, you can press with that also. So press, release, press, release, press, release for at least 1 minute. Don't press too hard, press gently, firmly, like this, with a firm. See, I'm going very gentle but firm, deep inside, like this. Alright, so this is going to help you a lot. Protect yourself from this changing weather and from this cough, cold, fever. Thank you.